Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to trust an SSL certificate in the HTTP client connector. At times, a destination endpoint may require clients, i.e. the Boomi connection, to trust a public certificate that they present. In this scenario, you can request or download the public certificate from the endpoint and then apply to the HTTP client connection with the following steps. Part 1. First, you need to upload the public certificate to Boomi integration. Create a new X.509 certificate component for the public certificate. Next, click Import and select the public certificate you want to upload. Verify that the certificate details are correct and save the certificate component. Part 2. Now that you've created the certificate component, all you need to do is specify that certificate component in the HTTP client connection. To do this, create an HTTP client connection and go to the SSL Options tab. Click the checkbox for Use Trusted SSL Certificate and then select the certificate component that you just previously created. After this, click Save, and that certificate will be trusted by the HTTP client connection. And that's all you have to do to trust an SSL certificate in the HTTP client connector. Thanks for watching.